French Riviera. Here we go. Isn't that a cool door? So I have stayed in this building before, but this time I requested a more quiet apartment. Just had a little dinner. Bed is comfortable, nice big window. Kitchen, much bigger than it was before. I had a tiny one before, and it was quite noisy. So I said, I'm coming back, but I would need to have it quieter. Here's my bathroom. And I just wanted to share this with you because when you're traveling, especially when you're solo, sometimes what happens is you have to be firm about what you want. Because I've been given, well, they've attempted to give me less than I wanted, and you just have to tell them what you would like. And suddenly they find it. So I'm really happy with this, and I wanted to share it with you right away. I just got to Nice, France. I've been here 2 other times. I stayed here for a week last year, and I stayed in another apartment. And that one was nice too, but I just wanted to share this with you because when you're looking for housing, you want to ask a lot of questions. That's what I like about booking. And you want to make sure it has Wi-Fi. It's in a safe location. This is right in the center of Nice. So I'm going to walk to the beach. As soon as I finish this, I'm going to the beach to see the sunset. And now this is a much better view than I had before. It was right over last time. It was right over a passageway where people were walking by drunk and loud on Friday and Saturday nights. I didn't want that again. This is much better. And the Wi-Fi works. Got to check out the bed. So if you ever go to a place and you check out the bed and you don't like it, request to have your room changed. But I do like it. And I'm celebrating because I just got here and it's beautiful here in the French Riviera. I don't think I could come in the summer. I think there'd be too many people and the prices double and triple. But in the winter, so for example, this apartment for 1 week is $450. And there's two or three different markets, farmers markets with everything that you can go to: fresh flowers, meat, produce, vegetables, fruit, walking distance. Now, I always like to stay in the center, and I want to share that with you because it just makes it so much easier. You don't have to take a taxi. You can walk everywhere, get your steps in. So I'm in France, right on the Côte d'Azur. And I'm going to go down to the water now. But I just got off a 6-hour train ride. Did I show you the bathroom? I think I did. I don't know if I did. Nice modern bathroom, sink. Now, the only thing about France is they don't have a bidet. I get really used to that in Italy. You can, in the most basic place, you'll have a bidet. I love that. It's very shocking when I come back to the US and there's no bidet. Like it's some kind of luxury for rich people. No, it should be for everybody. So, listen, I'm going to have a fabulous week here. Make my coffee in the morning. It's nice to have an apartment because after 3 nights in Paris, I was overindulging and I got to watch it because I just saw I'm trying to get healthier and slim down like I was before. So when I lived in Hawaii, I think I was in my best shape. It was about, 10 years ago, 9 years ago. So I'm going to head back to that place in my life. Not going to move back to Hawaii, but you never know. My 3 years in Hawaii were fantastic. And if you ever want to go there, I can give you a lot of advice. I lived on 3 different islands, and one of the best things I ever did for myself. Now, it's expensive for what you get, but you have to figure the nature is so beautiful. You're not going to find nature like that just anywhere. And you get to speak English, which I actually really appreciate. I love the French language, but my accent is not very good. But let me know a few questions. I'm very excited to meet my specials in Sicily for the photography retreat. And planning 2 more. And I'm wondering if any of you specials want to go to India, because that's one of my top 5 countries, and I've been there so many times, and it's an incredible experience. So, thanks for being in my group of people that wanna start traveling or continue traveling or learn new things about changing your life. I've been doing this for 20 years, and, it evolves. Like, I didn't used to rent apartments, and I really like that because you feel more like a local person, and you're talking to the farmers market people and trying out your language, whatever country you're in. They're always nice. Oh, internet connection. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the French Riviera.